I assume the music just stopped. They may be playing Lee Greenwood. That is, of course, typically the song that the president often walks out to at rallies.
Here he comes. Here comes the president right now. Yeah, he's thanking the pilots. You know, John, he's going to be walking down. We're told he's going to be received by the 89th Airlift Wing Commander, Colonel Stephen Snelson.
Of the United States, Donald J. Trump and Melania Trump.
Oh, he's doing a gun salute.
Thank you very much. And we love you, and I can tell you that from the bottom of my heart. This has been an incredible 4 years. We've accomplished so much together. I want to thank all of my family and my friends and my staff and so many other people for being here. I want to thank you for your effort, your hard work. People have no idea how hard this family worked. They worked, and they worked for you. They could have had a much easier life, but they did a fantastic job. I just want to thank all of you, everyone. I want to thank Mark Meadows, who's here, someplace right there. I want to thank Mark. But it's been something very special. We've accomplished a lot. Our First Lady has been a woman of great grace and beauty and dignity. And so popular with the people, so popular with the people. In fact, honey, would you like to say a few words, please?
Being your First Lady was my greatest honor. Thank you for your love and your support. You will be in my thoughts and prayers. God bless you all. God bless your families. And God bless this beautiful nation. Thank you.
What else has to be said, right? But what we've done, that's true, honey, great job. What